Okay, here's a topic I have not thoroughly discussed yet, and I won't be thoroughly discussing it. I'll be because explaining the law to someone is like, that's quite a process. I have taught law on the internet. I am not an attorney, but I have taught how to do your own case in court in the United States, and I had the number one search result for that. It's not up right now because, frankly, things came up and I wasn't doing it well enough. And I'm going to be putting it up on a website because I don't think YouTube is really the right place for it. There's just too much information. It was really chaotic. So let me reread this to you. Your question here, Ash Benopti. I just don't know how to pronounce it. I literally watched the UK trial, which was Depp versus a magazine. Well, okay, you say it was Depp versus a magazine, and that's true, but Amber got something out of this trial, and what she got and what she's fighting for in court right now, and I've only heard this from other people. I am not looking at the actual court documents right now, unfortunately, but and this may or may not be true. I would not even say for sure that it's true, but she has judicial notice of being the person who told the truth in the UK case. Her version of events was found to be credible. She was found to be honest, and Johnny Depp was found to be a liar. So don't just say that this was against a magazine. Sure, it was. But she was there, and Amber Heard absolutely won something, and she won the title of not the liar. Okay, I see of not being the liar, and Johnny Depp won the title of liar. Okay, and our law in the United States most closely resembles of any other country in the world, the United Kingdom and London and England and these things, because of course the United States is derived from the UK originally, and then like 200 years ago or so we had a revolution, and now we are not England, but we were once basically England. And so our law is very similar to theirs. It is so remote. It's such a just so minuscule, the possibility that Amber Heard being credible could ever be reversed. Literally, it would be an international incident. Okay, like England, the whole country of England and the whole country of America would be pissed off at each other over any such thing. So that is what Amber Heard won. Amber Heard won something in the UK trial, whether it was against her or not. She won the title of credible party to the litigation. So let's go back to your question and see what it says here. If he did that and was proven guilty, why is he not in jail? Well, you know why he's not in jail? Because Amber Heard has not pursued it here. She probably doesn't have time, which is probably why. I mean, like, literally, she could spend all her freaking time in court and not accomplish anything with her years of being a productive actress to try to get Johnny Depp put in jail. She could try to do that. And it would be great if she did, but frankly, I've been in court myself, and I can tell you there's only so many hours in a day, and she is a very big character in a very, very big movie franchise, which is bigger than Pirates of the Caribbean or anything that Johnny Depp ever did. I have a video about Aquaman. It out-earned every single Johnny Depp movie. I mean, there's only physically so much you can do. There's only so many places where your body can be at a time. And that would be a big process to get this bastard put in jail. And I'd love it if she did, and I'd love it if, I think this all happened in California, I'd love it if the prosecutors in California would get off their fat, lazy butts and get Johnny Depp put in jail, because that is their job to do. She shouldn't have to lift a finger, but this is verified in England, and of course, England is not America. England does not have jurisdiction to put Johnny Depp in jail for what he did in California. So the prosecutors in California need to get off their fat, lazy asses and do that. That is their job, and they haven't done it. And that happens all the time. Again, see the videos on the Amber Heard playlist. There's a lot of discrimination against women, a lot of calling women liars when they report rape, and they're just not getting off their ass and do it. And that's the only reason he's not in jail right now, because he should be. His drug-addicted ass should be in jail for a long time. Everywhere worldwide where there is such a thing as human trafficking, and there is human trafficking everywhere in the world, It exists with the cooperation of the authorities, with the police taking bribes or looking the other way or participating in it. And I meant to make a video about this, and I know people are probably going to say that's not true and they don't believe it, but it is a fact. And I don't have time right now to figure out where I put all those documents and the Westlaw articles. Westlaw is where I get my legal information from, and where every lawyer in the United States, they get their information from either that or LexisNexis if they have a subscription, or they or they have a very hard time getting their information. But this is a fact, and women simply do not get treated very well by the police. We we are exploited by the police ourselves in order for them to make money. And again, there couldn't be any such a thing as human trafficking if not for the police cooperation. So when it comes to rape, the police are already on the take with human trafficking, and they just don't care. They literally are a big part of the problem of human trafficking. And there is evidence of this, which I will not be presenting in this video.